Hey everybody, it's Bill Confidence. What I'm going to show you today is how to install car seat covers. You do not need to remove the doors to the car. I happen to be a nice guy and I just removed the doors so you guys can get a very clear view of how to install car seat covers on a vehicle just like this. We got this ultimate brand new aux-cord car seat covers, 100% premium quality, brand new. It comes with this beautiful storage bag. If you happen to be an Uber driver, a mom or dad, or you just want to not bring your friends in your car, you got to make sure you have one of these seat covers because they're not going to wreck your car. We got 4 seatbelt pads. How beautiful. These things are freaking amazing. I love them. We got a steering wheel cover. Nice, beautiful cushion. On the inside, we got the white material. It's not going to have a smell. Everybody's doing Uber these days. I happen to do Lyft, but that's a personal preference over here. I'm joking. So we got these seat covers. And as you can see right here, we got the S-clips, which helps tie everything down at the place, so it's a perfect snug fit. But what we got over here is a bra, spelled B-R-A, okay? What that means is, you got an SUV or a van, and the seats go down either 50-50 or 60-40. So you got the 2 seats, and then you got the one that you just flip over on the side. Either way you want to do it, that's what the split bra is for. We got 2 seat covers right here, just for the front seats. And these one, as you can tell, goes right on the top, sitting here just like this. I'm gonna show you how to install it soon. You got one for the driver, one for the passenger side. Then what we have right here is going to be the seat benches. This is the one that goes on the driver's seat and the passenger seat. They're both the same one. I'm just trying to help you guys out so you guys can see how easy peasy this thing is gonna work out for you guys. We got the back seat bench. This one goes against the back. And then we got the bottom part, which goes right on the bottom. So we're about to start the install, and this thing will only take you literally 10 minutes, and you're not spending thousands of dollars. You can buy them anywhere online. You can walk into a retailer. aux-cord is a brand name product that's gonna last, and I'm gonna show you how to do the install right now. So what we do is, first we're gonna start with the passenger side. Remember, you do not need to take off the doors, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go simply uninstall the headrest. You just pull it out. Usually you'll have like a little button here on the side, which you can push in. Sometimes you might have 2 sides. Sometimes you take a pin, and you just gotta pin it in. So what you're gonna do is, remember you got the opening from this side for the headrest. You're gonna open it up like a shirt. Literally like a shirt. Like you're trying to get your child dressed or something. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna simply slide it down. You're gonna make sure it lines up right at the top. You got these pieces, grooves showing right here, right? But you're gonna slide it right down. Make sure it looks nice and comfortable. We're gonna do a perfect job today for you guys. We're gonna show everybody how to get it done right. All right, and as you can see, I'm literally just like shoving my hand here. So you can see I'm pushing it down, simple. And you can pull as hard as you want. This thing is not gonna rip, it's not gonna damage. It's a lifetime investment. You simply snug it in, you pull it under. Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to install the headrest. It's pretty simple. All you gotta do is, once you pulled out the headrest, you get one of these headrests out here. So it might be attached, use a scissor. So all you gotta do is you take these headrests, you open it up, literally just get it right on there. Beautiful, such a perfect fit. So it's kind of like putting on your sock. You wanna make sure that the actual material on the outside, as you can see, you're gonna see the outside material, it's got the mesh right there. You wanna make sure it lines up perfectly, like right to the top. So you're just gonna kind of like line it up every time. Literally line it up. And it's a perfect fit. There's nobody who makes seat covers like aux-cord that fit perfect. Even if you went to the dealer, they can't get it done. It's a DIY, you do it yourself, and it's beautiful. Now that we got this on there comfortably, and you know, you might see a little bit creases, but as the sun comes out, tomorrow morning, you wake up, within 24 hours, all the creases are gone. It's affordable, it's comfortable, it's quality, and it's gonna last. Simply just take the headrest. You can see that literally the material's right here. This is the backing. You're gonna line it up literally with the seam of your car. And then you kind of like open up the grooves right there. You just take it and you, boom. Take that piece, you push it in, slide right there, and it looks incredible. This is beautiful. I'm in love with this thing. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the bottom half, and we're gonna make sure that you put this on perfect. Simply just make sure you're lining it up That's the part that goes in the back. As you can see, it has the loops that go right down so it sticks into place. What you're gonna do is you're gonna literally grab it from the bottom, like that, you know? And I literally just like hooked it under, you see that? Then you know that you got it in the right place. You can see it's literally lined up. It's almost custom fit. You're just not paying the price, that's all it is. The only difference is, you know, between these ones and the custom fit is that you're not paying the premium and you're getting a quality product that's gonna last. How do you feel if you spend 400 bucks and tomorrow you don't have them anymore? Now that we've got them kind of lined up, you're gonna see that all you need to do is slip them right through here, okay? You take them, you get them down, okay? Get them down. Get this down. Look how it's looking. Look how it's like literally just like it's molded to the seat cover. The seat cover's like actually hugging the seat. It's unbelievable. Then you got these little loops, and like I told you about, we got these S-hooks. Package of S-hooks. If you didn't receive them in your packaging, don't worry about it. Oxcord's got the unbelievable, exceptional customer service. They're gonna send it to you. They'll probably send you a whole seat cover just because they're that nice. Don't take advantage of the system, okay? So what we're gonna do is, you just kind of like loop it in from this little hook side. You're gonna take it, you're just gonna kind of like get it and boop, sweep it right in, right? All you gotta do is, you put it on there, you just shove your hand under your seat and kind of hook it into anything. You don't need to look, but if you want to, you can be more cautious and you can go under there and look. You take the next one, you grab the seat covers, you slip it right in. Basically, you line it up on the bottom metal part. See, you got that little metal bar and you just slide it and it goes right in. So don't try to tweezer your way in because you're just gonna work too hard. It's not complicated, it's super easy to install. And then we're gonna be it the cautious way. We're gonna look under this time and we're just gonna, you know, kind of grab it to a piece of metal. And I got a nice grip. I got a little tight one, which goes a little bit super far. So look at this thing. Look at this thing. All we need to do is just secure the back. Look, it's not flying up. It's just gonna literally sit there. You're not gonna slip. You're not gonna slide. It's as simple as that. Now, if you don't get all your S-hooks on, it doesn't mean you didn't do the job the correct way. The more you put on, the better it is. You don't have to put anything, but you might not be happy as the fit. The more hooks you put, the better it is, the more comfortable it's gonna fit. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna fold up the seat and we're gonna go to the back right here. As you saw, the front looks a little bit cluttered. What we're gonna do is, there's actually a little panel. There can be so many little niches that are in the way, but don't let them bother you because it doesn't mean it's complicated. All you gotta do is probably put your head somewhere around there. And as you can see, they got this, there we go, that's one latch right there. And then, whoop, there we go, we got the second latch. That was easier than I expected. There we go. And now we got my little, cute little loops right there that I was expecting to find. That's so easy. We got the top ones right there. You can just pull it by the material a little bit. Again, you don't want to pull anything too hard, but if you do, it's not a problem. Nice and comfortable, and as you can see, it's coming out really nice. Oh, you guys gotta wait till you see the front. It's beautiful. So, lift up the flap, just take these little loops, insert them one by one, and just kind of just hook them under. I didn't even look what I did. You guys saw that. That's not Photoshop. You know that. We got 2 more hooks left. Simply just take them and slide them on. You take the other one, simply just take it and slide it on. You're gonna slide on all the hooks, grab it from the bottom, just literally shove it anywhere on the bottom. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the last loop right there. We're just gonna simply slide that on and boom, just hook it onto there. You don't see my face over there. Boom, now you do. We're gonna install the passenger side and we're gonna wrap that up and make it a little bit quicker so you guys can get done with this video. I feel great. This thing is coming out just as prepared, super easy, second to install.